On April 26, we were invited by the Family and Life Commission of the Archdiocese of Manila to speak about Catholic parenting. So we were tasked to go to Mater Dolorosa at Makati to discuss the topic balancing work and family life. Very seldom that we go out of the community to give talks, and this is basically our first time to give a talk doon sa simbahan na wala kaming kakilala. And so, we just hang on to God's grace na kaya kami nandirito is because merong mensahe na gustong iparating ang Panginoong Diyos. We praise and thank God for this opportunity to serve Him, at salamat din sa mga nakinig, mga parishioners, parish servers, ang mga attendees ng seminar na ito. They do this monthly para sa formation seminar nila. Maraming salamat, Panginoon. God bless us all.